Hi, I'm Matt, I'm from Brothers Make. Today I'm in the Triton workshop and I'm here to show you how to change and align a Triton belt sanding belt. Okay, so before you do anything, make sure your tool is unplugged. Once you've unplugged your machine, the next thing you need to do is find the belt tension lever. On all of these machines, it's on the right hand side, and all it does is keep pressure on the belt and keep it spinning. Once you've released it, you can slide the old belt off and put the new belt on. One thing to note before you put your new belt on is the direction of rotation. Now on the inside of the belt you've got these arrows, and there's also an arrow on the side of the machine. Just make sure they're going the same direction. Once you've slid the new belt on, return the tension lever back to its original place and you're good to go. Okay, so to track the sanding belt correctly is really simple. You've just got to look on the side of the tool and look for the tracking adjustment knob. All you have to do is turn that very slightly and that will move the belt left and right whilst the machine is running. Thanks for watching this video. If you've got any other suggestions of videos you'd like us to make, just let us know in the comments below.